CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2, given a scenario, set up and install common peripheral devices to a laptop or PC. Mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device that allows users to control the movement of a cursor or pointer on a computer screen. When configuring a mouse, you will be able to access the Mouse Properties applet from either Control Panel or the Windows Settings tool. I will start with Control Panel. To open the Mouse Properties applet, navigate to Control Panel and select Mouse. Here you can adjust button configurations, double-click speed, and customize your on-screen cursor or pointer. You can also control your pointer speed, or how fast the cursor will move across your screen. If you want to use the Windows Settings tool, you would navigate to Devices, and then Mouse. Last, you would select additional mouse options to access the Mouse Properties applet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.